So, we carefully assess each patient's lifestyle when recommending a frame or lenses. For active individuals and kids, we really like to focus on durable or flexible materials such as titanium or memory metals, along with impact resistant lenses like Tribex. We also love to educate our patients on proper frame care and maintenance. That way, it can extend the life of the frame. Our goal is to make sure that every pair of glasses are not only stylish, but practical for everyday life. For kids, especially those younger ones that tend to be a little bit harder on eyewear, we really recommend the Nano Vista frames or the Dilly frames. The reason why these frames work so well for children is they're made out of a lightweight, flexible plastic material, and they can flex in so many different ways. So if the little one is tugging and pulling at them, it does end up holding up against that everyday wear and tear. And they come with straps to hold the frames on for the kids, as well as other solutions to make sure that they're wearing their glasses and seeing the best that they can.